In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chat history Zoom tutorial 2026, step by step. If you need to locate an older message in Zoom, the good news is that the Zoom Workplace desktop app includes a built-in search feature that makes this pretty simple. I'll walk you through exactly how to find chat history, and then I'll also show you a faster way to reopen recent chats. First, open the Zoom Workplace desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, sign in to your Zoom account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, click Chat to go into your messaging area. This is where your direct messages, group chats, and channels are stored. Next, look to the top left area of the chat section and click the search bar. This is the main tool you'll use to find older conversations or specific messages. In the search field, type a keyword, a phrase, a person's name, or even part of the message you're trying to find. The more specific your search is, the easier it will be to narrow down the results. After you enter your search, select messages from the search results. This helps make sure you're looking specifically through chat content rather than other possible results in Zoom. If you get a lot of matches, you can refine them using filters. Look for options like from, date, or search in. These filters are especially helpful if you only remember who sent the message, roughly when it was sent, or which conversation it may have been in. Once you spot the message you want, click on it. Zoom will then give you the option to select jump or view context. This takes you directly to that message inside the full conversation, which is useful because it lets you read what was said before and after it. That extra context can help you confirm you found the right chat. If instead you just want to quickly reopen a chat you accessed recently, there's an even faster method. Open the Zoom desktop app and go to the chat area. Next to the search bar, click the history icon. Zoom will then show up to your 10 most recently accessed chats, groups, and channels. From there, simply click the chat you want to open. That's all it takes to find chat history in Zoom. If you're searching for something older, use the search bar and filters. If you're just trying to get back to a recent conversation, use the history icon for quicker access.